using the Intarsia cast on method can help when you're using multiple colors in a pattern right away at the start of your knitting, and you want to have them connected, because otherwise you would probably cast on a couple stitches in one color and then a couple in another, and then they wouldn't be connected and they would slide all over the place. So this is a great method, and I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. Okay, so to start, you're going to have your 2 colors at the ready. And if you have your pattern, let's just say you're starting off with blue, you're going to start just like you normally would with a long tail cast on. So let's just say we're going to put like 6 stitches on of the blue. So we cast on our 6 stitches, and then we're going to cast on an extra. So we have 7. And then take your second color and put a slip knot on the needle. And then you're going to take this extra stitch and drop it over the second color and tighten up. And make sure you tighten up above the knot that you made with your slip knot. And the reason I don't like this one as much as the second option is because this one's obviously a little fiddly, you know? Kind of have to use both hands in an awkward way. Okay, and then you would continue on with your second color, as many stitches as you wanted. And if you were doing the same thing again, you're switching to blue, what you would do is just the same thing over again. You'd cast on another yellow stitch, an extra, and then you'd put the slip knot on and then take it over. So let's take a look at the second method. So the second method, we're going to once again cast on 6 stitches. But unlike the other one, we don't have to cast on our extra stitch. What you do is you take your second color, you make a slip knot, and make it kind of bigger, and you put it over the end of your needle so that it kind of scoops these 2 pieces of yarn together, and then you tighten up like that. And you can do this with circular needles as well. You just go around the entire thing and then back over, okay? And then you can just continue to cast on like that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit like on the video, and I'll see you guys next time.